Welcome back, guys. We are at Wagler's. No swimming, but we're gonna fish this hole, and they're out there riding dirt bikes. We're gonna ride some dirt bikes. They're gonna let me and Zayden run together. It's just me and Zayden today. Hoping the rain holds out. It's kind of cloudy. So I got the Zook, got the Yamaha. I mean, Zayden, we could be out there right now, but we're just a little slow. We just got here. We got all day, so ain't no worries. I'm hoping the rain holds out or passes, sprinkles a little here and there. But here we go. Sorry about that mud video. I didn't realize the GoPro was freaking covered in mud like it was. That was totally a terrible video. Let's go, Zayden. Fire up. Come on, fire up. Get your helmet. It's over here. We're gonna take it easy, but we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do. Thumb is still sore as a motherfucker. Here you go. Let's get her done. That front one's longer than that back one, so I overshot the back one last time, but you know, so you'll hit this one harder than you will that one. I'll be right there behind you. It's cold. Come on. Molly would stay in the truck. That's fine. Where'd you go? Where'd Zayden go? Where the hell did he go? Talk to him. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We'll finish out with these guys.
Oh yeah, you got 4.5 minutes.
That's fine, that's fine. Whoa, shit. Can you help him? Thank you. Sorry, Zayden.
you didn't let it nosedive on you. You knew them son of bitches. If you wasn't gonna clear it, you had to let your lean back to let your ass fucking fall. You did very good. That one in the back is big, so it's got a duke down into it. So when you come off of it, you're already 3 foot on the air. And yeah, and that's the best thing you could have done. Yeah, I know. And we'll be here checking out the track all day. Yeah, probably so. These are 3rd gear, half throttle jump. So maybe, like 30, 40 mile an hour, you gotta haul out. Trying to get GoPro out, I'm gonna go fishing. Okay. You gonna go fishing?
No, but I need my goggles.
I brought them, they're in the truck.
Okay, because
Okay. That was good, very good. I
was actually having fun.
Good, that's even better because this track has flow to it where you're not turning every 10 minutes. Hit a jump, make a turn, hit a jump, make a turn. That ain't fun, that's more work than fun.
And the turns, well, there's actually, the turns you gotta slow down a little bit, but you can still hit them. There's not just big kicks for that stuff.
It's got a little bit of burn to it, and you can slow down and go fast, whichever you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, this track is really good, but it gets a little hairy. You gotta send it, you know what I mean? But
I think I can smell that jump in that.
I think you can too. And these are safe to go faster on. This is safe to go faster on. It's the ones in the back. If you don't go really fast, you could have a problem. And it's not. Your form is good because when you're going in the air, you're not letting it nosedive on it. You're keeping it level, and that's what you want. You want to launch off that something that's level. So the faster you hit it on the back ones, the better. But we ain't gonna try that today because it could go bad, and we don't need that.
Yeah. My favorite jumps are those.
Yeah, you can hit those really fast and be all right. Yeah. Especially as you keep your rear down, you keep your front end from nosediving. You're good.
On the last one there,
man, I didn't bring any chairs.
That sucks to say.
Well, I guess I'll be sitting on the damn toolbox. I don't give a shit. All right, hold the GoPro. I'm grabbing fishing. We're going fishing.
I'm sitting on this bubble right here. Look at that thing.
Without chairs, I can't believe I didn't bring the fucking chairs. Alright, we'll figure it out. Come on.
What? Yeah, I know.
Let's go over here where it might be deeper.
Alright.
Awful mossy. I think some action in this spillway too. That could be good. That could be just a beaver tail. What is that? We'll check out this spot right here. Oh yeah, look at all them bluegills. Look at all them bluegills. Oh yeah, give me that camera. Plenty of bluegill right there.
Oh, I see. Oh!
Yeah, there's a bunch of bluegill. I don't know if the camera can get in on that.
Put it out, Daddy.
Yeah.
Put it out.
There's 20 bluegill I'm looking at. All right, at least we'll catch some bluegill maybe.
Dad, you sure you want to give out the spot?
Oh, this spot's local to public. Everybody can come. And I want everybody to come. Bring your dirt bike, bring your fishing pole.
This is actually a pretty good
So
truck.
I got the red worm.
This is a good truck.
And I got some freaking big bait. Dead fish. Something gets big out there. Probably a turtle, but I'll feed the turtle. I don't care. Let's rig up. I gotta get the.
There you go.
Gotta get the tackle box. What? Tackle box is in the next to the truck. We picked a good spot because there's plenty of bluegill. Maybe there's a bass or two in there. We'll see if there's some fish in there. That's a good sign. And them are full-grown fish. Them are full-grown bluegill. Them, they've been in there a few years. That's good.
That's good. I'll be sitting on this tackle box, dude. Man. Back the truck up over there is what I ought to do. That'll be alright. You going fishing? Okay. Let my hand heal up, man. That was brutal when I come down pushing that thumb. That was brutal. I got the little minis. It's a decent track. Decent track. I always like it when they get it packed down too. That thick stuff. I like the flow. Okay. Alright. Try not to scare all the bluegill away. We gotta rig up some bluegill action. What we got? I've already got rigged up. Let's see here. We're gonna have to go bobber style. Good old bobber style, buddy. What we got? I got a weight on there and a hook. Because I had crawdads on there. And I ain't got crawdads. I didn't get to go. I didn't mess with crawdads. Which I love crawdads. So I don't know what to tell you on that one, right? Okay. Put that there. I need a bobber. We gotta open up shop here. Open up shop. What we got going on? We got plenty of bluegill action out there. We'll see if they got a moss problem though. It's ain't gonna do much bottom fishing, but they got a little open top. Put a bobber on this booty. Little rippers. Probably not gonna go very deep, seeing how we got a swamp mossy issue. Okay. Let's try some red worms. I don't know. Bluegill eat anything, won't they? It's alright, I got a small hook and red worm's a small worm, so worm's a worm, right? Little two-stroke action. We'll see what we got. I'm pretty sure we'll catch a bluegill at least. I want some nice action here. What if they got some, what they got in there? I asked them if they had fish in here. Never got no reply. But I showed up and I found out they'd got fish in here. So that's good. We ain't gonna go far. What we got going on? Little crop of bluegill there. We're not too deep. Not too bad. Must not be hungry. So I can see my worm. Slowly milking it. Wait, oh, we got a bite. They figured it out. We got a bite. Oh, dang bluegills. Oh, close, they're biting on it. They might come down here and play with bluegill, I don't know. They're taking their turn. Nobody really wants it, they just want it. Oh, yanked it out of his mouth. He's like, that's my worm. Look at that. He's chewing on it. He got it, he dragging it around. Didn't bite it. Oh yeah. Well, they're gonna eat worms all day, ain't they, boys? Got a nice bluegill though. Bare hook. That's what I like to see. Bluegill City. Alright. I need to. This is going to be too much to bait up all day. I'll tell you that much. It'll be hard to snag one of them little boogers too. Let's see. Maybe go a little deeper and stop messing with the little bluegill. Oh, that's a nice cast. That's out there. See if we get something to just take it completely. Big old bass would be nice. Oop, oop. We're getting bites, I'll give it that. Probably them bluegill. They've discovered my tricks. They're biting it good. Playing with my damn worm. I'm gonna snag one of you boogers. Whoop, sorry about that. Dropped the camera. But damn, they all went to the damn bank. There was like 15 of them just right there in the grass. Bare hook and all. Well, yeah, I'm gonna throw it out farther. This is gonna get rough. Bluegill is starting to irritate me. Starting to clean me out. But just catching fish. Alrighty. See if we can snare one real quick. Oop, nope, not quick enough. Not quick enough. There he is, there he is. Snagged again. Got him on the whim, baby. Got him on the whim. He was pretty good, yep, that was pretty good. He was fucking with me, you know. Him and his friends were fucking with me. Yep. That's a pretty good snag. Pretty good snag. Nice little yellow booger. I'll use you for bait if I knew there was anything bigger out there, motherfucker. Alright, he unhooked himself. Alright, that's the kind you want. Oh, come here, you little motherfucker. There you go. Oh, he's back in the game. Back in the game. Oh, yeah. Oh, a little bluegill bed. You see that? Yeah, a little bluegill bed. A couple of them, that's what it is. We've hit the mother lode of the bluegill nest. They're all over that shit. Yeah. Fish on, fish on. When they got a quad run, we'll do another run here in a minute. Rebaiting. I'm gonna have to re-strategize. So I'm not gonna sit here and fuck a bluegill all day. Re-strategize. What do we got going on here? Throw it out farther. I don't think that worked either. Fuck, I hooked myself right in the fucking goddamn back. Back of the neck. Back of the shirt. Okay. Reload. And then see what the hell we're gonna do. Damn. Hook, line, and sinker. I ain't bluegilling it all day. I'll hook up that big one, throw something else out there. Looks like it got a lot of moss to go to the bottom, so I'm not gonna fuck with the bottom. Just bobber fish it. Man, we're gonna play with my crawdads. Oh yeah. Hope we don't get nothing but a damn something bigger. Something bigger. Well, let's show some bass signage. Signage of some bass. Pups probably in there. Oop, that damn bluegills again. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. We're gonna have to figure something out. Oh, yeah, I'm going on attack mode. Damn fucking things. Bring it on deck. Yep, he wasn't big enough to hold the hook. Trying to attack my worm like that. Oh, he's a fighter. I'm taking it home with me, buddy. These little fuckers. There's a whole bunch of bluegill in there. Yeah, he done nabbed me. I got a rebait. This ain't a good spot for the pups, but it's a bad spot for me and my big fishing. Might mess around. Throw something on there they can't eat. See what that fucking does. Throw some fish on there. Do bottom fishing. Just throw it out there and see what drags in, huh? Bad time to have your thumb hurt. Oh, bitch. I'm gonna put one of them dead fucking sardine looking things in this son of a bitch. See if there's anything big out there. See if anything fucking big. We'll see. Hook, line, and fish on. We'll see. I ain't got a big enough line to hold anything big though, probably. That thing floats.